Health Above 60 is a recently started organization, and as the name suggests, it is for the elderly population, especially above age of 60, where we do medical services to them by visiting them at the convenience of their home itself. Today, the need for this has risen because many elders are not keeping well, and the people who take care of them, they are also so busy. Also, if you see, many of them nowadays they stay alone because their children, because of today's stressful commercial needs, they travel out of the country or out of the city, leaving the parents alone at home. So it becomes more difficult for them to take care of their health. So, to considering all these things, we have started this organization so that we can support them at the convenience of the home by all medical services which they need, starting from doctor visit, sometimes in case of emergency, or as a regular consultation, they can call our doctors and they can take a consultation. And other thing is that some will require a person along with them, like a nurse or a attender, to care of them, to take care of the daily activities. So that also, if they require this, we can provide to them. And also, if you see, the medical investigations, which are an important part of their treatment, many ignore this because sometimes due to lack of time or due to inconvenience of going out of the house and going to the lab, sometimes they miss these investigations and they continue with the old treatment itself. So to avoid all these things, we provide a service at their home itself so that they can check the whatever parameters required for them on a regular basis. And the next important is the medicines. Sometimes the medicines get over and they don't find people to buy them and give them. So because of that, sometimes they discontinue the treatment for a while. So to prevent all these things, they can contact us so that whatever medicines they need to take, we will provide them at the house itself.